نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم صدق الله العظيم وصدق رسوله النبي الكريم الصلاة والسلام عليك يا رسول الله وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا حبيب الله. After praising Almighty Allah and reciting Durud Pak, first I would like to thank the management of Jamia Markazul Ulum Islamia and the most respectable and honorable guest. Though Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala said in very initial verses of the Holy Quran, Iqra bismi rabbikal ladhi khalaq. Let's recite with the name of Allah who created. If we tell about to the importance of Holy Quran, so there are so many ways to represent it. But it is enough that Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala said to His creation to read and recite of the Holy Quran. Also our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said to his ummah, khayrukum man ta'allama al-Qur'an wa 'allamahu. A person better among you is that who learned of Holy Quran and educate others about it. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam himself led a madrasa al-Sufa in Masjid Nabi, where he used to educate his companions. Therefore, I firmly request you all, my Muslim brothers, keep busy yourself in taking and giving knowledge of Quran and Hadith, and send your children in Jamia Markazul Ulum Islamia to enlighten their hearts by the teaching of Quran and Hadith. In the end of my speech, I pray Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala gives us power to face the challenges in this world and also day after. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.